to do. I like a book or be a fool or work inside a zoo. I might want to drive a bus or teach children to read. I read a train or fly a plane or fly a little sea. I might want to fly a farm or be a doctor too. I'll build a house or sew a blouse or sail the ocean blue. So many jobs I might choose. I wonder what I will be. I work and learn myself. It's my turn to find the